Hi kids! Welcome to Teacher Beth Class TV. Today, we're going to discuss about weather forecasts and charts. In this lesson, we will examine a weather report and weather charts. We will be able to understand weather symbols and forecasts to make informed decisions about daily activities. Are you ready? The Philippine Atmospheric, Geophysical and Astronomical Services Administration, or PAGASA, defines weather forecasts as a scientific estimate of a future weather condition based on weather parameters. Weather forecasts are disseminated to the public through weather reports, which provide useful weather information and weather warnings. Weather reports provide a summary of weather conditions from a weather forecast in a particular area or region. Weather satellite images, as shown in the picture, are tools used by meteorologists to construct weather charts. Weather charts provide information to the public about weather conditions that may affect their location. Let's study these two weather reports, Sample A and Sample B. Let's read the report in Sample A. February 20, Metro Manila. Partly cloudy skies in the morning will give way to cloudy skies in the afternoon. The air temperature is around 27 to 30 degrees Celsius with winds of 15 to 25 kilometers per hour from the northeast. There is a 20% chance of rain. Relative humidity is 56%. Let's now read the data in Sample B. Temperature 27 to 30 degrees Celsius. Wind speed and direction 15 to 25 kilometers per hour northeast. Humidity 56%. Chances of rainfall 20%. Cloud cover, partly cloudy to cloudy skies. What can you say about these two weather reports? How will you differentiate them? Sample A shows the traditional way of presenting weather reports using descriptions of the various weather elements, while Sample B is called a weather chart. Simple weather charts provide fundamental information on temperature, humidity, precipitation, wind speed, and direction, which are useful in disseminating information about the weather. A weather chart can be a graphical representation that includes the date, location, and weather icons and elements to illustrate the weather conditions for the day. Let's study the weather chart and identify the important information it provides about the weather. Saturday, February 25, 2025 is the date of the weather forecast. Metro Manila is the location. This icon represents the weather icon. 18 to 22 degrees Celsius is the temperature or temperature range. The icon with umbrella and 100% is the chances of rain. Humidity 65% is the relative humidity. Wind ENE or east-northeast 40 to 50 kilometers per hour is the wind speed and direction. Weather charts and forecasts use weather icons as visual tools to communicate weather information. When you have identified all the elements in the chart, you need to interpret it based on the standard weather descriptions provided by PAGASA. The following are the modified versions of the weather symbols, rain classification, and wind description from the PAGASA website. Interpret the weather chart. Identify the different elements that it contains. You may also write your answer in your notebook. Let's check your answers. 1. Date. 2. Location. 3. Weather icon. 4. Temperature or temperature range. 5. Chances of rain. 6. Relative humidity. And 7. Wind speed and direction. Interpret the following weather charts. Use the information found on the weather symbols, rain classification, and wind description charts. You may also write your answer in your notebook. Let's check your answers. Area, Metro Manila. Date, Monday, February 24, 2025. Condition of the sky, partly cloudy skies with isolated rain showers. Temperature, 32 degrees Celsius. Wind speed and direction, east-northeast moving at 11 kilometers per hour. Amount of rainfall, 1 millimeter in 1 hour and 30 minutes. Let's check now your answers. Area, Batangas. Date, Tuesday, February 25, 2025. Condition of the sky, cloudy skies with rain showers. Temperature, 32 degrees Celsius. Wind speed and direction, east-southeast moving at 9 kilometers per hour. Amount of rainfall, 2 millimeters in 1 hour and 30 minutes. Translate the weather report into graphical weather chart. You may also write your answer in your notebook. Here is the weather report. February 28, Friday. Pampanga will experience partly cloudy skies. The air temperature will be at 25 degrees Celsius with winds of 10 to 15 kilometers per hour from the northeast. There will be a 20% chance of rain with a rainfall of 2 millimeters in 1 hour and 30 minutes. Let's check your answers. Date, Friday, February 28. Location, Pampanga. Cloud cover, partly cloudy skies. Temperature, 25 degrees Celsius. Chances of rain, 10%. Wind speed and direction, northeast at 10 to 15 kilometers per hour. Amount of rainfall, 2 millimeters in 1 hour and 30 minutes.
Thank you for joining me. Let's learn, play, and grow together. Teacher Beth Class TV. Subscribe, like, and share. Thank you.